Hello students, in today's video of Python, let us learn about zip function in tuple, what is the meaning of unzip, how to show selected items, and how to calculate transpose of the matrix using zip and unzip function. Let us develop some tuples. That first one is Z1, 1, 2, 3. Second is Z2, let it be ABC, Z3, let it be alpha, beta, and Charlie. Suppose these are the values. I am taking different contents. Suppose I take USA, then India, then UK. Let it be fourth one. Suppose I have to combine all these values. Suppose I write Z5, then tuple. I have to write zip here, then Z1, Z2, Z3, and Z4. Then print Z5. Now look at the concept of zip function. 1A, alpha, and USA. Now what is the meaning of this basically? All are the first elements. 1, A, alpha, and USA. Then 2, B, beta, and India. And third one is 3, C, Charlie, and UK. All the contents are parallelly displayed. Suppose I write here print star Z5. Let us execute this. Now look at the output. Print, let us say in the new line, so that we can display the contents separately. This one. Now check the output. This one is the output. 1A, alpha, and USA. You have to write here zip. Now check the output. Also you have to write tuple. Now it's okay. Now check the output. Control L. Check the output here. Now this one is the operation after implementation of zip function. In this output, basically what we are displaying we are displaying in group the first element of all the lists, all the tuples 1A, alpha and USA. In this case, when you unzip the element, basically you can display all the elements directly. First one is Z1, then Z2, Z3 and Z4. It's the purpose of unzip and zip function. By unzip, you can display all the contents of the tuples, but if you apply zip function, you can display all the elements in first tuple, that is all the first element in first tuple, then second element in second tuple and third element in third tuple. Now how to show the selected items? Suppose I write here for ID and country in zip Z1 and Z4, because these two tuples contain ID and country. Then print ID and country. Let us try to display the content. Yes, the content is there. You can display the selected items according to your choice. Suppose there are multiple tuples exist inside the program. You can display the selected items using for loop. Now the last one, transpose of the matrix. Let us take T1 as the matrix. It comprises of some elements 7, 9, 2, 3, then 1, 5. Suppose these are the elements. Suppose I print P1. Let us check the output. You can display the element as it is. Basically, it's the first row and second row and third row. First row comprises of two elements 7 and 9. Then second row and third row. Suppose I have to transpose the element. I have to display 7, 2 and 1. Then what I have to do? I can write print tuple zip then star T1. Let us execute the program. You can transpose the elements. It's the first row. Now the first row is 7, 2 and 1. Basically, the first row is 7, 9, 2, 3. Second row is 2, 3 and third row is 1, 5. Now the output is 7, 2, 1 and 9, 3, 5. Basically, I convert the row into column and column into row. That is transpose of the matrix. By using zip and unzip function, what I can do? I can find transpose of the matrix. Let us repeat the content. What we do? We are finding the implementation of zip function, then unzip and how to show the selected items, then transpose of the matrix using zip and unzip function.